Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain some 2 to 3 problems on regular policy method. Okay. The first problem is from 18 Mat 21 model question paper number 1. The question is find a real root of the equation x log to the base 10x minus 1.2 equal to 0 and correct to 3 decimal places. Okay. Placing uh, the interval lying between 2 and 3. The x is lies between 2 and 3 using regular policy method. The same question is appeared in 18 Mat 21 December 2019 question paper, that is find the real root of the equation, the same equation x log x to the base 10 equal to 1.2 or minus 1.2 equal to 0 by regular policy method. Between the root is lies between 2 and 3 and perform 3 iterations. And the same question again it is repeated in June July 2019 question paper, that is find the real root of the equation x log x to the base 10 equal to 1.2, which is lies between 2 and 3 using regular policy method. Okay, so first I will write the function f of x, that is x log x to the base 10 minus 1.2. This is our f of x. So the root is lies between 2 and 3, right? So let's find f of 2 value and f of 3 value. Otherwise, you need to check f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, like that. Okay. So f of 2 value is by calculator, I got minus 0.5979 as the answer. Similarly, f of 3 value is 3 into log 3 minus 1.2. That is, I got 0.2314. So root lies between 2 and 3. It's already mentioned in the question, right? So root lies between 2 and 3. Okay, because f of my this one is negative, f of 3 is positive value, so root lies between these two. Even you can check for f of 2.1, f of 2.2, like that you will get goes on negative value then positive, that step also you can take. Okay, so this is minus. Now I will make a table of x, f of x. Now a, f of a, and b, f of b, and the formula, that is x is equal to a f of b minus b times f of a, regular policy formula, divided by f of b minus f of a in this column, and the value of f of x I will write in this column. So the value of a is 2. First I will take a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2, and f of a value and f of b value are these values. So b is equal to 3 here, right? F of 3. So a is 2, b is 3, and f of a value just we computed, that is minus 0.5979, that is f of a, and f of b is positive 0.2314. Now calculate x value for this. So by using calculator, that is a into f of b, that is 0.2314, minus b value is 3 times minus 0.5979 f of a, divided by f of b minus f of a, that is negative 0.5979. So calculate by using calculator. We will get 2.7210 as the answer. Immediately find the value of f of x. Okay, again use the calculator. The value of f of x is x into log x to the base 10 minus 1.2. So x is 2.7210 into log of 2.7210 minus 1.2, right? Minus 1.2. This is the value of f of x. So your answer is negative 0.0171. Now this is negative value. Since it is negative, we should change the negative value here. So that becomes, this a becomes 2.7210. Therefore your root lies between 2.7210 and 3. Okay, change a value, that is 2.7210, and f of a value is, just we got, that is negative 0.0171, and b remains the same, that is 3, and here f of b value is same, 0.2314, right? Now again find the value of x using calculator, that is a is 2.7210 now, into f of b, that is 0.2314, minus b value is 3, into f of a is negative 0.10171, divided by 0.2314 f of b, minus f of a is again negative 0.0171. Yes. So use the calculator and you will get the answer as 2.7402. Now find f of x value, that is x, that is 2.7402 into log, that is log of x, again 2.740102 minus 1.2. That value will be negative 0.0004. Again this value is negative, so you should change the negative value here, negative a. So root lies between this value and 3, that is 2.7402 and 3. So the value a changes to 2.7402. F of a is minus 0.0004, that is f of x value, that is f of a, and b is 3, f of b is 0.2314. Now again calculate x value, that is a times, that is 2.7402 times f of b, that is 0.2314, minus 3 times f of a, that is negative 0.0004, divided by 0.2314 minus of minus 0.0004. So use the calculator and you will get the answer as 2.7406. Next calculate f of x, that is x into log x, that is 2.7406 into log, that is log button in your calculator, x is 2.7406 minus 1.2. That value will be 0, that is 0.4 decimal places, 0000. So you can stop your iteration, and if you want to find again, that is if the root lies between 2 point new root 2.06 and 3, then I should change the value of a as 2.7406 since f of a, this one is 0, so surely it's not necessary. F of a value is 0. Maybe you can take it as negative value, negative 0. So surely you will get the answer as x equal to 2.7406. Let's try. B is equal to 3, f of b is 0.2314. So x value is 2.7406 now into 0.2314 minus 3 into 0 divided by 0.2314 minus 0. Okay, surely you will get this answer. Let's check. The answer is 2.7406. It is same as this value. Even you can, if it is 0, it's neither positive nor negative, you can change this one also. Surely you will get the same answer. X is equal to even. Therefore, the root is x is equal to 2.7406 as the final answer. And even this step is not necessary. Okay, I will erase this. Here only you got the answer. That is f of x equal to 0 means you can stop and write the answer as 2.7406. Yes. Next problem. Find the real root of the equation f of x is given it as x e power x minus cos x, f of x equal to 0. Correct to 3 decimal places, only 3 decimal places is enough. And the root lying between 0.5 and 0.6. So a value they are given it as 0.5, b is equal to 0.6. Find the value of f of a and f of b. Okay, and f of a is minus 0.0532. Okay, and keep in mind that your calculator is must be in radian mode. Okay, to do this operation with the cosine function. So 0.5 into e power 0.5 minus cos of 0.5 radians. Similarly 0.6 into e power 0.6 into minus cos of 0.6 radian. You will get the answer as 0.2679 is the answer. Now make a table with x and a and f of a, b and f of b, second column. Third column is x value, that is a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Remember the formula. And the value of f of x, that is x e power x minus cos x in the fourth column. The value of a is 0.5, f of a is minus 0.0532, and b is 0.6 and f of b is 0.2679. So b, f of b, a and f of a, negative value. Now calculate x, that is a into f of b, that is 0.2679, minus b value, that is 0.6, into f of a, that is negative 0.0532 we got, divided by f of b minus f of a. Use the calculator. The answer is 0.5166 I got. Next, calculate f of x, that I'll get x value, that is 0.5166, into e power x, e power 0.5166, minus cos of 0.5166 radians, that is negative 0.0035. This value is negative, less than 0, so you should change the negative number, that is a, new a is 0.5166. I mean to say that your root lies in new value 5166, new x value, that is a now, and the b value remains same, zero point 0.6 only, and b is 0.6, and f of a we just calculated as f of x, that is negative 0.0035, and f of b is 0.2679, and calculate f x value, that is a 0.5166, f of b same as previous, minus 0.6 times f of a is negative 0.0035, divided by f of b minus f of a. Use the calculator again. 0.5177 got as answer. Then find f of x, that is again x into, that is 0.5177 into e power 0.5177, minus cosine of 0.5177 radians, that is minus 0.0002 I got. Again it is negative value, so you should change the value of a. That means your root lies in new value of a, that is 0.5177, and 0.6 same as b. A value is 0.5177, and f of a is negative 0.0002. Suppose it is positive, then you should change b and f of b. B now it is 0.6, f of b is 0.2679. Calculate x, that is a 0.5177 into f of b, that is 0.2679, minus b 0.6 into f of a, that is negative 0.0002, divided by 0.2679 minus of minus 0.0002. So now again use the calculator in effective mode. Answer is 0.5178. You can stop the answer here, and even you can find f of x value, since it is for 3 decimal places, it is 0.518. The answer is same here, it is nearly equal to, for 3 decimal places, 0.518 only. You can stop the iteration. Okay, they are asked only for 3 decimal places. Even you can calculate f of f of x, that is 0.5178. Surely you will get near to 0. E power minus 0.5178 minus cosine of 0.5178. You will get answer as nearly 0.0001. If you calculate, it is a positive value. If the root is, you need 4 decimal places, then one more iteration is required. Otherwise, if it is 3 decimal, then you can stop the iteration here only and write the final answer, that is x is equal to, for 3 decimal places, 0.518 as the final answer. Otherwise, if the question is for 4 decimal places, correct to 4 decimal places, then surely you will get 0.5178 again in the next iteration. If you change the value of b, since the f of x value is positive, you should change b as 0.5178 and f of b is this value 0.0001 and a remains the same, then surely you will get this answer, 0.5178 as the root for 4 decimal places. Next question, question number 3 from August September 2020 question paper. Find the real root of the equation f of x is x power 3 minus 2x minus 5. Okay, using regular Falsy method, you need to correct the root to 3 decimal places, and they are not mentioned the root. That's why we should calculate f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, and so on. I think f of 0 is 0 power 3 minus 0 minus 5, that is minus 5, and f of 1 is 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 5, you will get minus 6 as the answer. Again it is negative, less than 0, and calculate f of 2, that is 2 power 3 is 8, minus 2 into 2 is 4, minus 5, that will be minus 1, again negative. So till you are getting the positive value, you should calculate, that is f of 3 value, you will get 3 power 3, that is 27, minus 2 into 3 is 6, minus 5, answer will be 16, that is greater than 0. Therefore root lies between 2 and 3, and which is nearer to 2. Observe that the root is nearer to 2 because minus 1 is nearer to 0. Now let us find f of 2 and near to 2. Okay, so find f of 2.1, that is better, that is 2.1 square, sorry, power 3 minus 2 into 2.1 minus 5, you will get positive 0.0610 as the answer, that is 2.1 power 3 minus 2 into 2.1 minus 5, so which is positive, right? Therefore root lies between, in terms of one decimal, 2 and 2.1. Okay, can judge directly, f of 2 is negative. Okay, f of 2 value which is negative, and f of 2.1 is immediately positive value, so root lies between 2 and 2.1. Then write the table. The value of a, f of a here, b and f of b in the second column, x is a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a formula, and f of x is x power 3 minus 2x minus 5, we should compute in the last column. So a value is 2, I will take, and b value is 2.1. Okay, and f of a is 0 minus 1, f of a is minus 1, and f of b is 0.0610, right? Now x is a, that is 2, into f of b 0.0610 minus b is 2.1, and f of a is minus 1, divided by 0.0610 minus into minus of minus 1. So in the calculator, that is 2 into 0.0610 minus into minus plus 2.1 into 1 divided by 0.0610, negative into negative is positive 1. So the answer is 2.0943. The question they are asked to 3 decimal places. So I will write 2.094. Okay. Next, f of x is, I'll write it as f of x equal to 2.0943 power 3 minus 2 into 2.0943 minus 5. So your answer is negative 0.0028 you will get. Then which is negative, so you should change the negative value. This value should change. So root lies between a, that is 2.0943, since f of x is negative, so it should change a value, comma b is 2.1. So a value is 2.0943 and f of a is f of x, that is negative 0.0028, and b remains the same 2.1, and f of b is 0.0610. Calculate x, that is 2 into 0.0610 minus 2.1 times minus 0.0028 f of a divided by f of b minus f of a is negative 0.0028. Using the calculator, that is 2 into 0.0610 minus into minus plus 2.1 times 0.0028, and denominator is 0.0610, negative into negative plus 0.0028. So you will get the answer as 2. This is not 2. This is 2.0943 times. That's the value of f of a, 0943, right? Answer is 2.0946 you will get, 2.0946. Next, calculate f of x. You will get 2.0946 power 3 minus 2 into 2.0946 minus 5. You will get positive 0.0005, which is positive. So if the positive value occurs, then your root lies between this value. You should change this one. Okay, that is 2.0943, and the new value, that is 2.0946. If it is positive, you should change the positive value, and your x value will be, that is a value will be remain same 0.43, and f of a is negative 0.0028, and b you should change, that is 2.0946, and f of b is f of x value, that is 0.0005, and calculate x, that is a value is 2.0943, f of b is 0.0005 minus P, that is 2.0946 times f of A, that is negative 0.0028, divided by 0.0005 is the new value of f of P, minus f of A is negative 0.0028. Use the calculator. 2.0946 you will get as answer, 2.0946. If a root is, since for the 3 decimal places this value and this value will be same even for 4 decimal, therefore x is equal to the root 2.0946. If it is for 3 decimal places, your root will be x is equal to 2.095, right? 095 as the final answer. And this completes 3 problems, and one is repeated 3 times, so totally 5 problems from August 2020 question paper, model question paper, and December 19, June 19 question papers. Thank you.